How are you all? I hope you are good. In this class, we are going to learn about rhyming on. Rhyming on this topic, we are going to learn rhyming words. Okay, and wisdom tales. In this topic, we are going to learn the stories. Okay, and next, artist studio. In this topic, we are going to learn what are the things needed in artist studio. Okay, and last one is magical fairy land. In this topic, we are going to learn. We are going to find out the magical object from the stories. Okay, let us see. Take your GK book, children. Page number 28. See first, rhyme on. See, read these lines and highlight each pair of rhyming words in a different color. Okay, the first one is already done for you, children. Starlight, star bright. The first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might. Have the wish I wish tonight. Okay, so bright tonight, might tonight. So bright and might rhyming words, and tonight this is rhyming words. Likewise, we have to find out the rhyming words, and we will give color on circle. Okay, we will give different colors. And second one is please borage hot and please borage cold. And please borage in the hot and 9 days old. So here hot part, cold old. Hot part, cold old. And some like it hot, some like it cold. Some like it in the pot. So hot pot, 9 days old. Okay. So here second one rhyming word is what? Hot pot. H-O-T hot, P-O-T pot. And cold, C-O-L-D cold, and old, O-L-D old. These are the rhyming words. We have to give the color in different colors. Okay. So hot pot, and cold, old. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Next one. Marry, quite contrary. Marry, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells. With silver bells and cockle shells. And pretty maids all in a grow. And pretty maids all in a grow. So here, what are the rhyming words? Marry, contrary. Marry, contrary, it's a rhyming word. Marry, and contrary, it's a rhyming word. And grow and row, it's a rhyming word. Grow and row. Bells and cells. Bells and cells. These are the rhyming words in this three. Okay. Marry, M-A-R-Y, marry, and contrary, C-O-N-T-R-A-R-Y, contrary. So you have to give color these two words in this line. And how does your garden grow? So, and pretty maids all in a grow. So R-O-W, G-R-O-W. These two rhyming word. With silver bells and copper cells. Bells and cells, it's a rhyming word. B-E-L-L-S, bells, and S-H-E-L-L-S. So these two give color. And fourth one is row your boat gentle down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. It's a rhymes now. Row your boat gentle down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Here stream and dream is a rhyming word. Stream and dream is a rhyming word. S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Dream, D-R-E-A-M, dream. Stream and dream is a rhyming word. It's not necessary for a poem to have a rhyme scheme. The ones without a rhyme or for rhymes need rhyming word is very important. Okay. And next one is wisdom tales. So here complete the important event of this popular children's stories by filling in the blank using the help box. The help box has given many words related to the stories. Okay, we have to write the we have to find and write the correct words. Okay, first one is the cobra and the crows. Cobra and the crows. Already the picture has given. We have to find the right word from this. Okay, the cobra and the crows. The defeat the evil. Which picture has given? Cobra, isn't it? So cobra where it is here. C-O-B-R-A. Cobra. So cobra, the crows dropped a stolen. And with what is this? Necklace in its burrow. Okay. So the cobra, he swallowed the crow's eggs. No. So he cleverly think and put the necklace in this area, the snake's area. So it is the picture has given snake picture. So the snake name is in the story. Snake name is cobra. Here you write C-O-B-R-A, cobra. And necklace. See, right? N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E. Right here. Necklace. Okay. It cleverly think. And next one is the tortoise and the swan. You know the story? The tortoise and the swan. It's fly with the tortoise fly with swan. He oftenly talked no. So he fell down and died. So it's about the story. The swan has given the swan. You have to write S-W-A-N-S. Swans. The swans flew with the talkative tortoise. It is continuously talkative tortoise. So hanging on a stick. Both they hang the tortoise in the stick and he flew. But he catch the stick with his mouth. So he talkative no stick. He fell down and died. So that swan flew with the talkative tortoise hanging on a stick. So you write here S-W-A-N-S, swans, and here tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Okay. And next one is the king and the foolish monkey. The king and the foolish monkey. Okay. The foolish monkey killed the king. Foolish monkey, he killed the housefly, but he killed the king. Okay, this is about the story. The foolish monkey killed the, what picture is this? King picture. So you have to write K-I-N-G, king, in the attempt to the kill. This is house, this is fly, F-L-Y, fly. The foolish monkey killed the king in the attempt to kill the fly, F-L-Y. And next one is Loyal Mongoose. It's a moral story. Loyal Mongoose. The Brahmin's wife thought that what picture is this? Mongoose. Good. Mongoose had harmed her baby. B-A-B-Y. What picture is this? Baby. She thought that mongoose killed our baby, like that she shot. So the Brahmin's wife thought that the mongoose, M-A-N-G-O-O-S-E, mongoose had harmed her baby, B-A-B-Y. And next one is the tiger and the golden bangle. The tiger and the golden bangle. The cunning. What is this picture? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. The cunning tiger trapped the greedy man. The cunning tiger trapped the greedy man using a gold bangle. greedy man using a gold bangle. Okay. So here you write tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Here bangle. B-A-N-G-L-E. Bangle. And the last one is the monkey and the crocodile. The monkey and the crocodile. You know very well about the story. The monkey cheated to the crocodile. What he said? My heart kept on my trees. Like that he said, and he cleverly escaped from the crocodile. No, this is about the story. The monkey. What picture is this? Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. The monkey saved himself. Saved himself by telling the, what picture is this? Crocodile. Crocodile that he kept his heart in the tree. Like that he said and escaped from the crocodile. Okay. Crocodile spelling what? Sorry. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Okay. So the do you know, see the down, the Panchatattva stories are created by Pandit Vishnu Sharma to teach valuable lessons on life, politics, relationships, etc. to the three princes entrusted to him. So who wrote the Panchatattva stories? Pandit Vishnu Sharma. Okay. And go to next page, children. The topic name is the Artist Studio. The Artist Studio. Ami is an artist. Circle the items that should be a part of her art studio. So the many things are has given in this image. We have to find which things are used to art. Okay. So canvas need. So you have to circle this. C-A-N-V-A-S. Canvas. You have to circle this. And apron. A-P-R-O-N. Apron. And palette. P-A-L-E-T-T-E-E. Palette. And that stand is a V-A-S-E-L. Easel. And pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencil. And brush we need no. Color also we need. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. And brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. And hammer, stethoscopes. These are we know. No need in the artist studio. Okay. So sketch also need. This is sketch. Okay. And sketch, palette, apron, canvas, easel, pencil, color and brushes. These are the things need in the artist studio. Okay. Okay, see, do you know the painting of Mona Lisa created by Leonardo Vinci is one of the world's most famous paintings made in the history of humankind. Okay. She is the world's most painter. Okay. Okay. Go to next one. Magical Fairy Land. Magical Fairy Land. So use the help box to identify the story where this magical object appears. Write the name of the story and name of other character also. So the pictures has given, the magical object has given. We have to find the story name and character. Okay. Have you ready? Use the help box and we will find. See, the first is Poisoned Apple. So what is the story name? Poisoned Apple. The story name was Snow White. The story name was Snow White. S-N-O-W, Snow White. W-H-I-T-E, Snow White. The character is Seven Dwarfs. Seven dogs. S-E-V-E-N, 7 dogs. D-W-A-R-F-S, 7 dogs. And second one is flying carpet. Second one is flying carpet. This story about Alauddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N, Alauddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N, Alauddin. The character is monkey. The character is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. This is poison apple and flying carpet. And third one is pumpkin chariot. Pumpkin. This is story about Cinderella. C-I-N-D-E-R-E-L-L-A, Cinderella. Character is evil mother and sisters. Evil mother and sister. E-V-I-L, evil mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother and sisters. S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. Cinderella and evil mother and sisters are the characters. And fourth one is magical hair. Fourth one is magical hair. So this story name was Rapunzel. This story name was Rapunzel. R-A-P-U-N-Z-E-L. Here you write. R-A-P-U-N-Z-E-L. The character is Prince. The character is Prince. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. P-R-I-N-C-E. And next one is Beanstalk. Beanstalk. This story name was Jack and Beanstalk. J-A-C-K, Jack and Beanstalk. B-E-A-N-S. Beanstalk. T-A-L-K. Beanstalk. The character is James. The character is James. G-I-A-N-T-S. James. Okay. First one is poison apple. The story name is Snow White. And second one is Aladdin story, flying carpet. And third one is pumpkin chariot, Cinderella. And fourth one is magical hair, Rapunzel story. And Beanstalk is Jack and Beanstalk. Okay. So in this class we learn about rhyme on. Under this topic we learn rhyming word. And wisdom terms. In this topic we learn about characters name. And the artist studio. What are the things we need in artist studio we learn. And last one is magical fairy land. We see the magical object and we find out the story name and characters. Isn't it, children? Okay, you